How to fix WhatsApp call not showing on display on iPhone or WhatsApp call not showing on the screen. Guys, there are some things you need to do to fix if your WhatsApp call is not showing on the display. First, enable WhatsApp notification. To do this, go ahead and tap on the settings icon on your iPhone. Scroll up until you get to the notification button, then tap on it. Then scroll up here until you see WhatsApp. From the list of apps you install, tap on it. Now scroll up here, make sure that this button is enabled. Allow notifications, tap on it to enable it. If it is not enabled on your device, tap on it and enable it. Then scroll up a bit, tap on WhatsApp notification settings. Now make sure that all the settings here is enabled. If it is disabled, make sure everything is enabled. Then also you may tap on reset notification settings. Follow the on-screen process and complete this task. Then this should fix this issue. And if that does not fix it, then enable all settings on your iPhone. Go ahead and tap on settings on your iPhone. Now scroll up until you get to notifications, tap on it. Then scroll up until you get to WhatsApp from the list of apps you installed on your device. Here, tap on it. Then make sure that this button is turned on. Then scroll up, tap on this button, WhatsApp notification settings. Now make sure that everything here is turned on. Turn on this button, show notification, you must turn it on. Everything here must be turned on. If it is not on, make sure you turn them on so that you'll be able to see notification on your device. Turn on everything here in this place. So with this, guys, you should be able to fix this issue. And if this is not fix the issue, then let's go and fix the next step. The next step is to offload this app on your device. On your iPhone, tap on settings icon. Now scroll up until you get to general, tap on it. Then tap on iPhone storage. Then tap on show all. Scroll up, then tap on WhatsApp. Now tap on offload. Once you upload this app, then reinstall the app again. Then you should be able to fix the issue of notification. And if this does not fix the issue of notification not show on your iPhone, go ahead and update your WhatsApp app on your device. Tap on App Store, tap on the search bar, search for WhatsApp. Then if the WhatsApp is having update here, tap on it to update this WhatsApp on your device. This should fix the issue. Now the last option, if the issue is not fixed, then try to update the iOS on your device. To do this is very simple. Tap on settings icon, scroll up and tap on general, then tap on software update. So if you have any update here on your device, tap on it and update to the latest version of iOS. This will fix the issue of WhatsApp call not showing on display on iPhone. So if you enjoy what I've explained this video, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.